Hello everyone. There's my mother.
Oh, look at her how she walks.
Period. Look how abuelita walks. Everyone, we're on our way to the Pez Museum Factory, and we're gonna show you. I've always wanted to go, and I never go every time I come, so we're gonna go today. Just made it to the Pez Factory. And I'm gonna show you guys the inside. There's also a little like a game or something that you can play, and if you get everything, you win something.
Your visit is self-guided. That brochure will point out some of the features. $8 in store, treated like cash. You can use that towards anything you'd like.
Mommy's Year is the best-selling dispenser of all time.
Do you have multiple choice questions?
Halloween.
Um,
Halloween. Popeye.
Looney Tunes. Oh, I was gonna say
Santa
Santa Claus.
I love coming to places like this because you just learn so much about the history of things that are locally near you, and you don't have to go far to find some cool stuff. Like the Pez Factory is literally around the corner, and it has some awesome history. To name a few, Pez candy was actually invented in Vienna, Austria in 1927. Original Pez candy was a round lozenge called Pez Drops, and they were originally targeted towards adults as a breath mint and an alternative to smoking cigarettes. And then the dispensers actually arrived a little bit later on in 1949, and in 1973 is when they actually built the factory here in Orange, Connecticut. Pez is available worldwide, as you can imagine, and there is a ton of different characters, and so many cool dispensers have been created throughout the years and still continue to this day, as you will see in this video. My mom used to work at the Pez Factory. She's gonna tell you her story.
And I was not even 15 years of age, and they brought us here to work, and they let us work. That was work abuse.
In 1989.
When we first came to.
So you gotta talk about your experience here.
It was really cool. We opened the pet candy.
She don't remember.
Wow, pet just cost 25 cents with 2 packs pack.
In the video.
Hey, two pets.
That was their outfit. It's pretty amazing how big this place is. There's so much to see, friends. I highly recommend coming to check this place out because it is so cool. I just love to see all the history and the different type of Pez dispensers. There's also the scavenger hunt, which was really hard actually, and I think no matter what age you are, you are going to have so much fun here. There's so much history for all ages. I love it so much.
There.
Yeah.
figured out the riddle, and I'm gonna paint colors. We're looking at the eBay binder of how much these sell for. If you guys find some rare eBay ones out there in the wild, I highly recommend selling them on eBay because these papers they got here show that they go for a lot of money. Just let her stand.
Dámelo, mami.
I do the rest of it. Thank you.
Give it a spin. Right between two, which one do you want, the raccoon or the monkey?
Mona. It's kind of hard.
You guys keep getting the same one?
Ready?
Yes. Yes.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Wow.
Yay.
It's golden hour, guys.
Beautiful. We just left the Pez Factory. We just left the Pez Factory. I'm going to show you what we got. Pikachu. Tweety. We all won one. I don't know who this is, but I won it. Gianna leaves one. This person is like a raccoon. I got a bear. And there's postcards. For $5, you get quite a bit. We ended the night by going to an Italian restaurant for dinner. I got this penne vodka, friends. And when I tell you right now that it was divine, I mean divine. It was so good. The sauce, I could literally just eat that by itself. I would definitely come back here. If you're in the Fairfield, Bridgeport, Stratford area, I would highly recommend coming to check it out, or just Fairfield County nearby. It was a great spot to eat. Just like, you know, low, chill vibes, Italian recipes. It was a great time. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. And Gianna Lee's and my mom got some dessert. And then we just went exploring around Bridgeport. So St. Mary's by the Sea during the day is absolutely beautiful. The homes there are gorgeous. You have the ocean, but at nighttime it's also pretty chill vibes. We went to downtown Bridgeport, checked out some of the local artists and art and murals, and then my stepdad actually took us to a home in Bridgeport that is like a haunted house exorcism situation. I'm gonna put some info here for you guys to check it out. The house is super tiny, but they talk about talking cats and stuff. Like, friends, this is up my alley. And if you know anything about New England, it's haunted up there. I love it. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was a short one, but there's much more vlogs, hauls, recipes, travels, and all the fun things coming your way. So subscribe to the channel if this is your thing, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Take it easy, be kind, love ya.